You don't need to be smoking ribs all day to get tender and juicy results. Look at that bite through. This is stupid good. Stick around, we're gonna show you how to make some party ribs, make your cook go faster, and make it look like this. What are party ribs? Party ribs are taking individual baby back ribs just like this, remove the membrane, slicing them up individually, and then from there you're able to season all sides, speed up your cook. That's the method that we are testing out today. So let's get to slicing and see how we do. All right, team, so we are going to slice these individually. And this is gonna allow us to get all sides. So just like that, just to show you what individual bone will look like. All right, friends, we've got these sliced up. Now we are going to season with my base of Dust Bowl, which is a garlic butter, and then we're going to do some sweet red dirt, and we'll get both sides and we'll be ready to go. Well, I've got the Kamado Joe Connected Joe set to 275 with one piece of wood chunk. It's post oak, very mild smoke. I put these on a rack to make it easy to transfer on and off. It's just one kind of rack of ribs, so I thought it'd be easier. Threw it on indirect. We're gonna be going under 3 hours, so my guess is probably at hour and a half mark to 2 hours. It's gonna have great color and good bark formalization, and then from there we're gonna foil pan it, and I'll show you all the ingredients when we get to that point to kind of finish it up, caramelize it, give it that great final flavor, and then we'll see how we did and how it performed. All right, friends, now we are at that 180, and what we're gonna do is take these in a foil pan. This one has not a lot of meat on it, but this one does. Toss these in here. And then I've got pats of butter that we are going to put all around here. It's going to add more flavor to it. Spread these out. And then our next step is we are going to just sprinkle, and we're eyeing this, some brown sugar, all making sure every rib kind of gets coated. There we go. We're gonna add a little bit more sweet red dirt, just because we can. And then we are going to drizzle some of this Nathan's honey on here. It's going to add more flavor, make sure everyone gets a little bit of action. And then we're going to top it off with my Heartland Hickory barbecue sauce and kind of mix all this together, and we'll let this braise. So there we go, just need to get it going, and then it'll start pouring, and this will be half bottle. Then we're going to take this and just kind of mix it around. Everything's going to totally caramelize over the next 30 minutes to an hour, and this is going to look saucy and delicious. I promise you that. All right, team, we have finished up this cook, and just look at how beautiful the caramelization of these ribs are. It's time to pull these, and I think I'm gonna let them hit the grill just for another 5 minutes outside of the pan, and then it's final taste test time. Like I mentioned earlier, pulled these off onto the grill grate to allow that final sauce to tack on, just probably for another 5 minutes. All right. Taste test time. This has been under 3 hours smoking directly and then braising that last hour with barbecue sauce, brown sugar, and a few other things. And now it's time to see how we did. Look at that bite through. I can't help but go for more. Come on. This is stupid good. Well, as you can see, these turned out fantastic. All I gotta say is these were next level delicious with this combination of sweet red dirt, Dust Bowl, and Heartland hickory sauce. Took it to the next level. Super easy. I would say that's one of my best ribs I've done in a while. And so if you think about doing a whole rack versus individual, they both turn out wonderful. But if you're cooking for a party or a group, this might be a great strategy, which I've got an event I'm doing for a group of guys in October, and I think I'm gonna go this route, doing some party ribs just like this. Turned out delicious. And if you wanna learn more about ribs or membrane on versus off, check out this video here and all the different playlists on barbecue on the channel. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.